years and my life is still trying to get up that big hill of hope for a destination. All together.